Paano if walang monetization of leave credits? Ano na? Alamin. Interesting question po na dapat bigyan ng good answer, direct to the point, and with example. Alright? Please watch the full video para sa employees po na mag-retire, mag-resign, and separate sa company. No worries po, may ma-receive kayo sa leave credits niyo. Ano po ang tawag nito? How much ang ma-receive ninyo? May computation tayo, may formula. Alright? Let's get started. Again, paano if walang monetization of league credits? Ano na? Saan ito mapunta? Ano ang tawag? Answer, Section 37, Omnibus Rules on Leave. CSC or Civil Service Commission, Resolution number 98-3142. Payment of terminal leave. Any official or employee of the government who retires, voluntarily resigns, or is separated from the service through no fault of his own and who is not otherwise covered by special law shall be entitled to the commutation of his or her leave credits exclusive of Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays without limitations and regardless of the period when the credits were earned. So ito na po yung sagot, sir. So kung walang monetization sa leave credits natin, no worries po, hindi po yan mawala. Makuha po yan pag mag-retire tayo, mag-resign, or separate from the service. So lahat po ng VL natin and SL na unused, mabayaran po yan through payment of terminal leave. So kaya pala malaki ang makukuha ng mga uniform personnel natin, friends, no? Like yung mga police natin, pag mag-retire na yan sila, yung mga unused kasi na VL and SL, meron silang payment of terminal leave. In fact, ang alam ko, some of them, millions po ang makuha. Kasi wala silang availment kasi ng mga vacation leave, tsaka sick leave. So lahat ng unused na BL and SL nila, from day 1 up to nag-retire sila, marami talaga silang na-earn na leave credits. As a result, malaki po yung makuha nila. For example, Mr. A has total leave credits of 150 SL or sick leave and 150 VL or vacation leave, and his highest monthly salary is 44,460. So ang pagkuha ng terminal leave pay pala, ito po, may formula tayo. S times D times CF. So from DBM Budget Circular number 2016-2. So diyan natin nakuha yung formula sa website ni Department of Budget and Management. So ano po tong S? S means highest monthly salary. Yung D naman, number of accumulated VL or SL. Tapos yung CF, constant factor. So, proceed tayo, no? Pag-compute, no? Follow lang tayo sa formula. So, kung magkano yung highest monthly salary natin, like for example, si Mr. A, 44,460 times 300 na accumulated BL at SL niya, times lang natin. Tapos times natin sa constant factor, which is 0.48, which is 0.0481927. So as a result, 642,794.23 ang makuha ni Mr. A sa terminal leave pay niya. If mag-retire siya, mag-resign or separate from the company. So yan po. So kung mas marami kang accumulated VL tsaka SL, mas malaki po yung makuha ninyo. In our example, 300 days lang po. So yung iba dyan, more than that, 500 days siguro or 600 days, mas malaki yung makuha ninyo, sir. Alright? So thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and two thumbs up.